Hey everybody, it's me, Edward Jones, back with a new video. Back from the gun show. Today is December 9th, 2023. I just got back from the South Carolina State Fairgrounds. There was a gun show there, and I picked up a few things, just some odds and ends, nothing extravagant. Just some small items I had to buy for, some stuff I was lacking in. I didn't buy the shotgun, even though you see the zip ties on it. I actually carried the shotgun with me at the show because I was trying to find a sling that would go well with the shotgun. I ended up buying one for $10. It's an M16 M4 military sling. It's just some surplus. The reason why I had to buy a new sling is because my rabbit ate through the leather sling that was on there before. Yes, I have a pet rabbit that I let roam around in my work area, and one of the things that it likes to chew on is anything that's leather. So it put a bunch of bite marks along the edge of the sling, and then it almost then started to chew through the middle of it, and it got to where it was basically unreliable. Wouldn't been safe for me to continue to use it, so I decided to just take it off, give it to the rabbit, and go ahead and replace it. So like I said, I only paid $10 for this sling. And it's adjustable from both ends. I was really looking for something that was an inch and a quarter, because I like military slings. And the one the rabbit chewed up was an old military sling that I got from a pawn shop. But it was leather. It was in okay shape. I typically like to get leather slings for my shotguns. But the one I got it was only an inch wide, so I tried to see if I could find out it was an inch and a quarter. But then I realized if I got one that was an inch and a quarter, I wanted to get inch and a quarter. I wanted to get inch and a quarter sling swivels. And so I still got the 1 inch ones that were on the gun, but thankfully this nylon sling is pretty pliable, so I was able to fit into the 1 inch sling swivels without any issues. Next thing I bought was just a bag of patches. I ran out. I ran out of the wide square patches that I typically use for shotguns, and I like to cut it down for using in pistols and rifles. But this is only $7. $7. Seemed like the basic gun cleaning patches. I'm pretty sure I could have gotten something in bulk somewhere else, but they were there at the show, so I figured why not pick some up. Like I said, these are just $7. And of course, it wouldn't be a gun show video without the high-vis yellow single-use potassium dispensing unit. um, it was always useful to keep fruits and vegetables at home. You want to keep your health up for whatever life throws at you. You want to make sure you're try to keep yourself in shape, try to eat right. I say that as I pick up a Little Caesars pizza, but I have a physically demanding job, and so it requires me to move around a lot more than I would if I was sitting at a desk job. So I get plenty of exercise at work, and I'm a fairly energetic person, so it takes a lot of food to keep me up to speed. So I typically eat a lot of junk food every now and then, but I do enjoy a good salad, especially a Cobb salad from Chick-fil-A. It's one of my favorite salads to get, along with I think they have one called the Southwest salad, where they have like grilled chicken and salsa dressing. You can tell I'm pretty hungry right now. I can't stop talking about food. But that's all I got today. Just the sling, patches, and the single-use individual unit, single-use high-vis yellow potassium dispensing unit. But that's my video. Tell me what you guys think. Did you have a gun show in your area? Please share if you bought anything as of recently from a gun show. That's my video. If you want to help out the channel, I buy some more interesting things from gun shows and stores and what have you. Just go to my YouTube homepage, look for the PayPal link and the Cash App link. All donation amounts are appreciated. Any gripes, complaints about this video, send me a PM. I'll see what I can do to address them. This is another gun show video for December 9th, 2023. I'm Edward Jones. You guys take care, be safe, stay strapped, and God bless.